GS Yuasa are the world's #1 battery manufacturer for industrial, automotive and motorcycle applications, with a global turnover in excess of $3 billion and over 12,000 employees engaged in manufacturing, sales and distribution on 5 continents. Our batteries are the preferred choice of vehicle and motorcycle manufacturers worldwide and are fitted as OEM parts to the majority of marques. Although a battery may have been correctly charged and installed, it still needs to be maintained to deliver peak performance. Unlike cars, most motorcycles, boats and other watercraft, utility vehicles and ATVs are not used on a daily basis. When a battery is not in regular use, it will naturally discharge. Additionally, temperature and electrical accessories will also drain charge. Left unchecked, without regular maintenance, this can permanently damage the battery and void the warranty. To avoid warranty and replacement claims, it's important to advise your customers on how to get the best out of their battery. It's recommended that customers are made aware that monthly maintenance is essential to maintain the battery's warranty and required for both conventional and sealed batteries. This includes regular checks to make sure the top of the battery is clean and dry, inspecting the battery terminals, connections and cables for corrosion or damage, and ensuring all the connections are tight. The outer case should also be checked for cracks or signs of leakage. The routing of the vent tube on conventional batteries is correct and unobstructed. For conventional batteries, the electrolyte levels should also be monitored using distilled water to top up cells as required. Clearly explain the need to maintain a full charge in all types of batteries in order to avoid any damage that may be caused by the self-discharge process. If the vehicle storage period is going to be long-term, the battery should be removed from the vehicle. In addition, the electrolyte levels and charge should be maintained throughout the storage period. If you suspect a problem with a battery, there are 2 easy and reliable ways to check its state of charge. The first is a hydrometer test. For conventional batteries, a hydrometer measures the specific gravity of the electrolyte inside a battery. There are 2 types of hydrometers: calibrated float and floating ball. To test the battery, insert the hydrometer into one of the filler ports, draw out some electrolyte, and take the reading off the hydrometer and compare it to the chart. Test each cell individually. If any cell falls out of the specified range, charge the battery and retest each cell. If after charging any cell still fails to meet specifications, the battery must be replaced. The second test is a DC volt test. This can be done either unloaded or loaded. To perform an unloaded test on a conventional battery, connect a DC voltmeter to the battery and note the reading. If the voltage is below a full charge, charge the battery, then recheck the voltage. If the voltage is below 12.4 volts, the battery needs recharging. There are also a range of automatic battery testers available to test the condition of a battery. To ensure accurate results when using an automatic battery tester, always follow the manufacturer's instructions. When charging a battery, ensure the charger is turned off before connecting to the battery. Always connect positive to positive and negative to negative. When charging a conventional battery, loosen the filler caps and make sure the vent tube isn't kinked or blocked. If the battery feels excessively hot during charging, stop charging it and let it cool.